Was so tired, but what have we become?